Sea Glimpse silhouette book. It came out of a lot of work I did around Brighton Hove from about a decade ago. Lots of glimpses of the sea from streets, and with these you can see from this cover here, which is a silhouette of me looking out on the sea. And then there's a series of pages that kind of come into here, which we'll look at in a bit more detail here. In fact, you can see from this flick through of some of the Sea Glimpse silhouettes, all using a variety of media, how I developed and played with the idea. Some are collaged, some are painted, just to give an effect like that. So as we pull the Accordion book out, you can see the individual pages. They sort of, basically, it's the city of Brighton and Hove, different streets from Western Road, which is a series I did of paintings of, and you can see the, lots of felt pens, lots of different lines, these sort of silhouettes between the buildings, very much blue and green, which are the two colours, blue for Brighton and green for the city of Hove, which are on the railings and the lampposts, and you can see it actually folds out into about 10 pages in total. And you can see it's just coming out there now. That's really good. You can see the whole thing. I've got someone helping me to do this. There we go, all very nice, and there's a series of 5 of these in total, which you can see over here as such. And in fact here you can see the spread of all the 5 books and all the different pages, together with all the techniques and collage and different media that's been used, and all of them laid out together.